Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prishita Pathak and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this dewy Christmas Eve makeup tutorial. If you are interested in watching how to get this look, then please keep watching. So for the first step, I'm going to take this primer. This is Swiss Beauty Primer, and I'm going to take this foundation. This is Color Bar Foundation, and I'm going to mix these two on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna blend it all in. Look at the shine it gives as I mix the glowy primer with the foundation. Now I'm gonna apply the concealer. This is the Maybelline New York concealer. I'm putting a little bit concealer here where I have pimple so that it covers it up. Now I'm gonna apply this loose powder. This is from Color Essence. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna set my under eye area and areas in which I applied the concealer. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Miss Claire. Now moving on to the eyeshadows, I'm gonna take this K-Beauty eyeshadow palette, this in the Pure Bloom, this color, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids. In this eye too, Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this color and I'm gonna apply this color in my transition line. Now that these warm colors are set, I'm gonna apply a golden color because it is a Christmassy look. So I'm gonna go with golden color. And for that I'm gonna take this small brush. I'm going to apply this golden color. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I'm only on the eyelids, not on the transition line. Now I'm going to take the same golden color on this brush and I'm going to apply it on this inner part. Now I'm going to do the same with my other eye. Now after completing everything on my eyelid, I'm going to go with this spice color and I'm going to apply this spice color on my waterline. Now I'm going to apply this like my eyeliner on my eyes. Now moving on to the mascara, I'm gonna be applying the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now I'm gonna apply contour. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now I'm gonna contour my nose with this same contour. I'm gonna take this small brush to contour my nose and then I'm gonna apply it here. Next I'm gonna take this concealer, the same concealer which I applied, and I'm going to apply here. Now I'm going to blend it with the same contour brush. I'm going to blend the contour. And then I'm taking this other brush which is kind of similar to the brush that I used for contouring, but it is a bit thick, So I'm going to blend the concealer with this one. So now moving on to the blush, I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now next I'm gonna be applying the highlighter. This is from Nykaa. Now last but not least, I'm gonna apply the lipstick, red lipstick, because Christmas. Now I'm gonna apply this lipstick. This is a red lipstick from the brand Stay Quirky. Now on top of this red lipstick, I'm gonna apply this red lipstick. This is from Swiss Beauty. The shade is very nice because this is not way too dark red. If you don't want to go for a bold red look but you still want red, this is perfect. That's why I like it so much. I'm gonna apply this lipstick a little bit in the middle. Now after everything is done, my makeup is done. Now I'm gonna set my makeup with this setting spray. It is skincare kind of. It's from Mario Pathak. It makes my skin look very dewy. I'm just gonna spray this. I'm also going to apply this crimson color here into the inner corner of my eyes. So guys, I hope you like this dewy Christmas Eve makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.